I love you too. You don't mind kung paminsan-minsan, I take some time off and I just sit down for... Okay. Marami akong natanggap ng mga direct messages sa Instagram, especially from people who came home for Christmas this year. At ang ilan sa inyo binigay bilang isang Christmas gift ang ticket para sa concert na to. How many of you just arrived and came back home? Oh, there are so many of you here. Oh, this is great. Hi to you. Oh, this is great. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm really struggling up here.
Take a break.
I'm not broken. No, No, keep that mic on. Ladies and gentlemen, hindi ito kasali sa script namin, no? Alam ko kasi ako yung susunod ng script. But, I don't know if I can finish this show tonight. But what I want to do is I want to do the songs that I know can speak into your hearts. It breaks my heart to know that we have prepared so much for all of you. But the body is saying, Gary, be cautious, Gary. You have many more years to go.